Hey guys, this is Sunny. I just wanted to do a quick video on, there was a question out there on Facebook regarding how can you filter in Netris just the DFW JPAR listings. In this case, I actually rely on KV Core to do that. So go into your KV Core dashboard, click on listings on the left side, okay? Click on filter underneath property listings. You want to turn on the agency listings and make sure that the all listings are turned off. Okay. Now, instead of choosing a location here, if you want just a DFW map of our listings for JPAR, click on Draw on Map. So they'll pull up this window for you. And then scroll the plus and minus, scroll up and down until you find DFW. Okay? And then click on Draw Area. Okay? And then you'll see this plus sign that comes up. You'll have to click on it one time to start it. Okay? With your mouse, just click on it one time to whatever area you want covered. So I will go all the way out here towards Weatherford. Okay, click on it once, draw the line again. And remember, just select the areas that you want. And then the last one. Connect all 4 dots. And then on the bottom right here, hit Apply Selection. Okay. So we've already made a map of what we want all the JPAR listings to be shown within the DFW area. And at the very bottom, click Apply Filters. There you go. Dallas, Garland, Allen, Crowley, Plano, Fort Worth, Rowlett, Haltom City, and we have 218 on this map. Okay. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you very much. Have a great day.